How to find your watch later playlist on YouTube app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. After that, you'll find all these options on the left side. Click on You. After you click on You on the left side, scroll down in here, you'll find Watch Later. You'll find all the videos you have saved to watch later in here. You can scroll through it, and if you have many of them, you can click on View All and see all the watch later videos from your account as well. You can simply click on it and it will lead you to the video. And this is how to find your watch later playlist on YouTube. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.